guys, what's up? So the next subject that I want to talk about is humanity. And what I mean by that is, in the previous video I talked about passion, having a proper amount of passion. There's a little overlapping here, but in terms of having humanity, you want to be able to draw the human form accurately and with purpose, is to have empathy. In other words, what I mean by that is whatever experience that live model or the printed version that you might have, you want to be able to express the humanity that they are experiencing in that moment. And part of that is to have empathy of the individual that you are showing here. And the big picture isn't necessarily that you have to get all your parts right, and the arm is connected, how it's connected in the shoulder blade, or how the torso is connected with the legs, or just sort of those sort of things, or how the hip bone sits if you're leaning one way or the other. But really, you're not necessarily worried about all those details. You're thinking about the big picture, which is capturing their humanity. What type of pose are they taking to express what type of idea? In order to be able to experience and have that in your drawing, you need to first have empathy, be in the moment. What I think I've said in a previous video is be in the moment of that experience so that you can better understand what they are experiencing and how they are experiencing it. So part of that is, don't be distracted with all the different things. One of the things that my most favorite sports is tennis. And with tennis is that we were playing doubles one time, and my partner, I was having a hard time. Just any shot I made, wasn't going well. And my partner at the time, he told me, too many mind. And he was exactly right. I was distracted about all these other details and not just allowing I wasn't allowing my body to perform what I had already trained to have it perform. And the same thing goes with the drawings when drawing the human figure. You want to be able to capture their humanity. That's the big picture. All the other pieces of how the torso fits on the hips and how the arm sockets work and where the neck and the head all connect, that will come because you have an understanding of the big picture, which is, again, capturing that individual's empathy, that individual's humanity. So that's the big secret, and honestly, you do that alone, it will help your work, and you'll start seeing drastic improvement along with just taking the time every day, and it's the quantity that's going to see your work grow. So this is sort of the content and the topics we'll be discussing in our workshop that I'll be offering starting here on September 2nd. And so we believe that this is truly going to be an awesome experience for you guys. And we're working really hard to make it happen so that we deliver the best content for you, and that you are the ones that are the driving force behind this. Because without you guys, this information just doesn't have a home, and we want to make sure it does have a home. And so we're so excited to deliver a best possible experience for you. We're holding nothing back to be able to pass this on to you, because we believe that education is changing in this 21st century. And we think that along with how this educational experience is changing, because it's how this knowledge base, we're smashing past the gatekeepers of previous education experiences, and we're going straight to this. So we think this is the right answer, and we want you to join us along with that. So I look forward to seeing you guys then, and we'll check you next time. As always, have a blessed day.